everyone's like, what's your hidden talent? And I'm like, whoop, whoop, whoop.
Go ahead.
Hey.
Hi guys, my name is Sasha Makoni.
Hey, how are you guys? My name is Sasha Makoni.
Yeah.
Can you do the beep beep? Beep beep. Oh, what's your favorite sound?
My friend David can make any single sound that I tell him to. Watch this. Okay, pretend that you're pouring water. I do a fly buzzing in someone's ear.
This is insane. I want to be Hokage one day. Believe it.
That was so good.